On this repair, we will be watching Manny remove and replace the shifter assembly on a Whirlpool washer. After he's taken the case cover off that protects the belt and motor, this repair was needed to be done because the unit would agitate and wash the clothes but would not actually spin them out. He drops the capacitor to get a little better angle to get to the shifter. There are two Phillips head screws that hold the shifter in place. Once they're removed, the shifter comes right out in a quick disconnect. In this case, we are replacing the capacitor as well as the shifter. Now we are reinstalling the shifter with the previously mentioned two screws. Now reinstalling the capacitor. 1/4-inch screw holds the capacitor on. And then we zip the cover back on, which are held on by two 5/16 screws. Then we drop the unit back down, run a calibration cycle and a test cycle. As you see here, water's flowing in now. Once you've tested, you're good to go.